Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pom Poms is probably one of the most fun and fashionable hat accessories you can find. These fluffy additions instantly elevate any hat, from beanies to winter caps, adding a touch of playfulness and style. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of faux fur pom-poms with snaps, exploring what makes them a must-have accessory for your hat collection. Number 5. Juinte White Raccoon Fur Pompoms. These pom-poms are made of 100% real raccoon fur, offering an incredibly soft and fluffy feel. Unlike faux fur options, this provides a superior touch. You'll love the difference. Each pom-pom comes with snap buttons for easy attachment. Simply sew the other part onto your item, and you can quickly add or remove them. It's simple and convenient. These pom-poms are perfect for hats, shoes, bags, and more. Use them to embellish knitted coats, gloves, or scarves. The possibilities are endless. Choose from a wide range of colors, both natural and dyed, to match your style. You can even switch them out daily to complement your mood and outfit. If the pom-poms appear compressed after shipping, just shake them or use a hairdryer to restore their fluffiness. They will fully recover within a couple of days. Remember to purchase from Juinte to ensure you receive the product as described. What we like. This pom-pom stands out because it's made with genuine raccoon fur, offering an unmatched level of fluffiness and softness. The snap-on design makes it incredibly easy to attach and detach. If you're looking for a luxurious touch and want the best quality, you should consider this one for your hats, scarves, or any DIY project. What people say. The snap button is on there securely and it was easy to install the back to the top. It looks great and even better now. Is really good quality, soft and the best that is easy to work with it. Excellent quality, and love that it has the large snap attachment included. Number 4. Juinte 6-inch Fur Pom-Pom Balls. These pom-pom balls come with snap buttons. It's easy to attach them to your hats, shoes, or any other items you want to decorate. This makes it simple to add a touch of flair. Made from synthetic fiber, these fluffy pom-poms feel soft and comfortable. They are designed to maintain their shape and color over time, ensuring long-lasting use. Each pom-pom is approximately 6 inches in diameter, a perfect size for hats. Adding them to your knitted hats will make you look lovely and attractive. The package includes 8 faux fur pom-pom balls in classic colors. You'll have plenty for your DIY projects, and you can even share them with friends and family. These fur puffs are perfect for hats, bags, scarves, shoes, and more. Use them to decorate your items and make them stand out. The possibilities are endless. What we like. These pom-poms come in a variety of classic colors, perfect for matching any outfit. They're made from soft, synthetic fibers that are comfortable to wear and easy to attach with the snap button. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use option for your DIY projects, you should consider these. What people say. They come with the snaps, all you have to do is sew the coordinating snap onto a beanie. The poms are interchangeable. They have a great little snap for attaching to beanies, which is awesome. Number 3. Furryvalley 6PCS Faux Fur Pompom Balls. These fluffy balls are perfect for adding a touch of fun to your hats, shoes, and scarves. Each one measures 6 inches in diameter and comes with a snap fastener for easy attachment. The press button makes it simple to attach them to your hat. You can easily swap them out to match your outfit or replace a worn-out pom-pom. Use these to customize your knitting hat or other clothes. The package includes matching buttons for your convenience. Made from 90% acrylic and 10% polyester, this material is animal-friendly, fluffy, and soft. You can feel good about your purchase. You'll receive a set of 6 brown pom-pom balls, ideal for all your DIY projects. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. With a generous 6-inch diameter, this pom-pom makes a bold statement on any hat or accessory. It's made from animal-friendly materials, so you can feel good about your purchase. If you like a statement piece and want something that's easy to attach and remove, you should consider this one. What people say. They were perfect easy to attach, just some minor sewing skills, and they look perfect. The snap is secure and the palm sets just like you'd want it to. They come with snaps to sew attach them to the beanies. Very soft and the perfect size for all the hats, babies to adult. Great quality. Number 2. 3D Star 12 PCS DIY Faux Fur Pompoms. These fluffy pom-poms are perfect for all your DIY projects. They are made of faux fur, making them environmentally friendly and animal friendly. Made with 90% acrylic and 10% polyester, these pom-poms have a diameter of 10 centimeters. The material feels soft and looks great. Each ball has a snap button for easy attachment. You can easily add them to hats, scarves, bags, or anything you like. Use these colorful pom-poms to personalize your items. They are ideal for knitting, crafting, and adding a unique touch to your accessories. Let your imagination run wild. If the pom-poms appear scattered upon arrival, don't worry. Simply use a hair dryer to restore their shape. It's that easy. These pom-poms can be used on hats, keychains, and bags. They are the perfect DIY material for any project. You can use them anywhere you want. What we like. This pom-pom comes in a variety of mixed colors, allowing you to express your creativity. The snap button connection makes it easy to attach to your hats, scarves, or bags. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking for a fun and easy way to customize your accessories, you should consider this. What people say. These pom-poms, after a short blow dry, are fluffy and look like real fur. The attached snaps are sturdy and very easy to sew on. The snaps are easy to sew on and I like that you can easily take off the puff to wash the hat. Number 1. DIY Fur Pom-Pom Balls for hats, shoes, bags. These real fur pom-pom balls are incredibly fluffy and soft. They are perfect for adding a touch of style to your beanie cap or shoes. Each ball comes with a button, making it easy to attach to your hat. You can also use them to replace a faulty pom-pom or add them to your bags with a keychain. Choose from a variety of sizes to fit your needs. They are large enough to sew onto your crochet hats or scarves. They are comfortable and soft against your skin, making them suitable for you and your kids. These are perfect accessories for birthdays, Christmas, or New Year's. Give them to someone special, such as your family or friends. What we like. This pom-pom is made of real fur, offering a soft and cute look. The easy on and off design with a snap button makes it convenient to use. If you like the look of real fur and want an easy way to add a touch of style to your hats or accessories, you should consider this. What people say. Comes with 2 snaps, sew one on your favorite hat and it's perfect. About 4.5 to 5 across when fluffed up, perfect size. It also had a solidly attached snap on the underside that others will appreciate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.